Hi, everybody. Welcome back and Merry Christmas. Merry special Christmas. Very special Christmas. Oh. Okay, I'm done. No more singing. Guys, welcome back to Up and Adam Channel 2. We are back and it is Christmas. And I said on Up and Adam Channel 1 earlier. I did Christmas yesterday with my mom, my mother-in-law, and Jason. And then today my mom ended up leaving and Jason's in a bath and my mother-in-law's just, I don't know if she's asleep or just watching TV downstairs. Don't worry, you guys. I put on the Christmas classics of The Real Housewives of New Jersey, the season where Teresa ends up coming home from jail. It's a touching episode. Like, who doesn't want to watch that on Christmas? Anyways, speaking of going to jail, this has nothing to do with Teresa Giudice. Actually, has everything to do with Erika Jayne and Tom Girardi. So before we jump in, if you guys haven't already, go ahead, pop off in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let's jump right in. Shall we? Yeah, here we go. Erika Jayne has, thank you to Reality Blurb, alluded to the dust settling in her legal drama on recent episodes of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. But according to recent posts from an attorney, that doesn't seem to be the case. As her estranged husband, Tom Girardi, potentially evades prison time due to his supposedly dwindling mental state, attorney Ronald Richards has offered a series of updates on Erika's legal status, sharing that her position is worsening after she gave up her fight for a pair of earrings Thomas bought her years ago. This is the final status conference report for Erika Jayne on the second trustee case against her. Hold on, let me bring this up really quick. Here's the document. This is it. Again, this is the final status conference report for Erika Jayne on the second trustee case against her. This is from her husband's trustee. We filed the one for the law firm's trustee. Contrary to the TV interviews, her legal prospects are getting worse, not better, as these trials will come to fruition. But in the attached documents pertaining to Tom Girardi's bankruptcy case, which is expected to go to trial, it was noted that the prosecution was hoping for mediation ahead and that the defense, including Erika, was not. Thomas's mental state was also mentioned, as it was revealed that the trial could last over a week. But it was also in another post on X where Ronald confirmed that Erika was no longer appealing a judge's ruling that her $1.4 million earrings should be turned over to the court since they were reportedly purchased with money belonging to Tom's former clients. Yeah, let's go to that document. Thank you, sir. Okay. According to, he has the court documents and everything. This is what's said. Erika Girardi is not appealing the earrings turnover decision. This is now final. Erika has finally given up. The judge just signed scheduling order conference for the $25 million fraudulent conveyance trial, which will go forward after the pretrial conference on January 28th, 2025. But according to court documents, proceeds from the sale of the earrings will be placed into a trust account, which seems to mean that the earrings will eventually be used to repay those who Tom ripped off. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. In a third post on X, Ronald explained why Tom Girardi may not actually serve any time for the crimes that he committed against his former clients and others. That would be this little piece of information right here. Let me share screen. Let's just keep on going. Let's just share it all. Ronald Richards on X. It says, Tom Girardi's December 20th, 2024 sentencing hearing vacated. The judge is going to consider something other than prison. The law also allows for the hospitalization of a convicted person suffering from mental disease or defect. He may escape any custodial time. Here it is. Honorable Josephine L. Staten. Having reviewed the parties' response to this court's order requiring briefing on the applicability of 18 USC, blah, 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 the court concludes that a hearing pursuant to blah, 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 is required to determine whether defendant should be committed to a suitable facility in lieu of imprisonment. Accordingly, the sentencing hearing set for December 20th, 2024 at 1:30 p.m. is vacated in its place, and at the same time, the court will hold a status conference to determine an appropriate schedule for a psychiatric or psychological examination pursuant to this. The defendant is ordered to appear. It is so ordered, is what it says at the bottom. Okay. What? This just like does not stop. Okay. So while Tom Girardi and his attorneys have signaled a cognitive decline since shortly after he was accused of running a Ponzi scheme at his now defunct law firm, Girardi keys, there have been questions surrounding the legitimacy of the diagnosis. I honestly, it's so weird because it's case by case. Like, Jen Shaw went to prison, and I'm not defending anybody, but what I don't understand is Jen Shaw went to prison for apparently scamming the elderly. And I'm not saying apparently like being a smartass about it. I'm saying like for a telemarketing scheme that targeted the elderly. But her restitution was over $6 million, and she has to come up with this money to pay all of them back. I don't understand why they wouldn't let like somebody like Jen stay out of prison, stay on the show, make the $6 million in restitution, make that, and then go to prison, because by the time she gets out, the restitution isn't going to matter if she's targeting elderly people, because there's going to be a percentage of them that won't be here anymore. That's one. But then in a situation like this, it's like Tom Girardi is not going to pay back any restitution. Tom Girardi is not going to give anything else to you, but Tom Girardi is not in a great state of health. And he also is a little like what they're saying, he's suffering from Alzheimer's and late onset dementia. So he's a little like obviously not, he doesn't have the same wits about him. But people felt like that was a very convenient, there's a lot of convenient things that happen in Beverly Hills. I think Garcelle pointed this out. Tom's house was broken into, and then this, and then he drove his car off the side of a mountain, and he confronted the burglar, and yeah, so it was a big deal. But it's like, so you conveniently filed for divorce because you said that he wasn't listening to you anymore, and then right when you filed for divorce, all of this came out like you didn't know because you're stupid. But she's not stupid. She's very, very intelligent. Erika is a smart, witty woman. And then, Garcelle pointed out the whole Dorit and PK thing about like, I don't think Dorit knew, but I think somebody knew. I think that somebody had some information, some knowledge about that. Yeah, that's what I think. Okay. Interesting. And then Kyle Richards, let's not forget her house was broken into. Dorit's was broken into multiple times. Am I missing anybody? I don't think so. All right. I want to hear what you guys think. Do you think that it's fair if Tom Girardi doesn't do jail time due to his mental health, or not his mental health, his actual health? Mental health is health. What am I, just sticking my foot in my mouth today? Due to his health. Also, do you think that attorney Ronald Richards is onto something, and that things might take a turn for the worse against Erika? Unlike what she said on the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, where she was like, I can finally see over the horizon, and it's starting to look bright, and I can see my future again. Yeah, your future might be his might be in a padded cell, and yours might just be in a cell with bars. I don't know. Pop off in the comment section. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Love you guys, and we'll see you later.